Notion calendar tutorial. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your web browser and go to www.notion.com. On the home page, click on the login button at the top right. If you already have an account, log in. Otherwise, you can create a new one by following the easy steps. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your dashboard and click on Add New to create a new page. You'll see many template options. But for this video, we'll create one from scratch. So go ahead and click on Empty Database. Start by giving your page a title to keep it organized. Then scroll down and click on Table to begin adding your content. After that, select Edit View, and on the right side, click on Layout. From the Layout options, choose Calendar and confirm your selection. Now your calendar is ready to use. You can start marking specific dates for events or activities. Simply click on any date, add a name or title, and create a property as a marker to help identify or categorize your entry. And that's it. Notion calendar tutorial. Thanks for watching.